Before you set up a data migration to Teamwork Desk, create custom fields. This way, you can migrate custom fields from your source help desk. To add a new custom field in Teamwork Desk, you need to log in to Teamwork Desk account with admin permissions. Click your profile icon and go to Settings. Then choose Custom Fields. Click the green button dubbed Add Field. Name the custom field, pick its type, and select if it's going to be a required or optional one. Then choose some options related to your customers. Pick the inbox instances to which you want to apply the custom field. Also, switch the toggle to apply the custom field to all future inbox instances. When ready, click the Save button. Now you can map custom fields during demo migration.